record this.
Okay.
Big checkers go Hong Kong to girls. Hong Kong!
Okay, when does this
Because they think we're pretty. Hong Kong!
Hong Kong.
I'm pretty Hong Kong!
That was funny. You're like this big ass truck.
Big ass checkers think we're hot. Hong Kong! They go Hong Kong because we're hot.
I go
Hong
there.
Kong. Great skate.
Oh, what? Oh, like, ooh, what?
I met some boy there.
I fell down there like 100 times.
So did my friend Julia. It was funny.
Yeah, we went to Prairie View.
Say cheese.
It's on the east side. Oh
Charlie.
my god, there's a bunch of hot guys there.
Prairie View? Jordan Summons was there.
Wait, who's Jordan?
And then Makai kept saying, he's like, go up to Jordan Summons, you love one or something like that. And he kept, I was like, really? I was like, no. And then Jenna kept trying, he was like, Jordan, he was being a butthead. He wouldn't talk to me.
Look at that.
Good stuff.
Hong Kong!
Emmy's good stuff. Right there.
You have a huge tongue. You have like a gunner tongue. Look at her tongue.
Oh my god, look at my tongue.
My tongue. Oh my god. This just got quiet.
I got big tongue.
Say
Tian King Doss wants to do this to Caitlin.
Don't say that. You're so nasty. Say hi to Facebook.
It's pretty here. Like the trees, like letting the blow over the road.
Get that.
Tian King Doss wants to do that to Caitlin.
Nasty. Don't be perverted on my camera.
He's gonna rape you in the hole.
I'm not going.
Not unless I go.
Yeah, not unless.
His friends go.
Not unless I go.
Yeah, you.
Yeah, take me with you. Better take me with you.
It smells yummy. It smells like fire.
It smells like hot dogs.
That's what she
Everything you've said the entire time during this ride is that's what she said.
What?
The truckers are watching you.
Grammy, how do you feel about Trin's Hong Kongs?
I haven't made up my mind yet.
Guy, how do you feel about Caitlin's Hong Kongs?
What? That sounded kind of weird.
Trinity, Trin.
Hey, Guy, I can give you double horns.
You guys.
Hey, I'm driving. Don't mess with the driver.
Okay. Say goodbye to Facebook.
Peace.
Peace.
Deuces.
Deuces.